And the Oscar goes to.
Weeks before the Oscars, screenwriter of a nominated film, Mehdi Mahmoodian, was arrested for 17 days because he signed a statement condemning Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. While the award-winning director of the same film, Jafar Panahi, who was constantly in trouble with the government, was given a prison sentence on charges of creating propaganda against the political system.
این تلفیقی بود از چیزایی که بیرون دیده بودیم.
This isn't the first time Iran has had a turbulent history. Perhaps this is why the cinema is so nuanced. Hi, I'm Isha and this is C-Seed Weekend Binge. Iranian cinema is globally celebrated today for its use of minimal and realistic storytelling. It's not just a style, but a creative solution to the problems filmmakers face. Censorship rules, limited budgets, and the constraints to talk about the region's violent politics. All this shaped the Iranian films and acting style as we know today. While our feeds keep refreshing with war updates from Iran, here are 5 films that can help us understand the people behind the headlines. Number 1. Jafar Panahi's It Was Just an Accident. It has to be on the top of the list. It is one of the nominees of this year's Oscars. It is about a man who accidentally encounters his tormentor from an Iranian prison. A tightly narrated mystery unfolds, surfacing deep effects of trauma, desperation, and anger among the characters. Panahi stands as a real life embodiment of the idea that adversity can sharpen rather than silence an artist. Years of tension and confrontation with the state have not restrained his voice. If anything, they have made his filmmaking more daring and uncompromising. In his work, he confronts bureaucracy and power structures with an eerie, unsettling clarity. The film deliberately withholds the comfort of a tidy resolution, instead, compelling the viewer to sit with the uneasy, unresolved emotions long after it ends. You can now watch this film on Mubi. Number 2. Asghar Farhadi's A Separation is the story of Nadir and Simin. They are a couple who is separating. They face this difficult decision of what is best for their child's life versus for Nadir's deteriorating father who has Alzheimer's. In the middle of this, another conflict unfolds in Nadir's life. It is a film about family, moral dilemma, and class. From performance to edit, this film is the whole package where you are not just watching the film but experiencing these imperfect and very real relationships unfold. This film is available to be viewed on Apple TV. Number 3. Fireworks Wednesday is another powerful film by Asghar Farhadi, but perhaps the least known. The film delves into betrayal, suspicion, and the delicate fragility that often lies beneath human relationships. Ruhi, a young woman hired as a maid in a Tehran household, is suddenly pulled into a couple's troubled marriage when the suspicious wife asks her to be a spy for her husband. And Ruhi gets entangled in the couple's strained relationship. In the hands of Asghar Farhadi, films like A Separation and The Salesman stand as masterclass in narrative drama. Stories drawn from everyday domestic situations, inhabited by morally justified characters, and layered with a quiet but incisive critique of the system. Also, the best thing is the full movie with subtitles is available on YouTube. Number 4. Close Up by Abbas Kiarostami. It is a fiction documentary on the case of a man arrested for impersonating the Iranian director Mohsen Makhmalbaf. If you love the art of cinema, you will find yourself relating to this film a lot because it is about the effect cinema can have on people. And what is more interesting is that the characters are playing their own real selves in the film. Abbas Kiarostami is acclaimed to break the rules and create a masterpiece as this film. Although it is not available to be viewed in India, but where there is a will, there is a way. Or VPN. Number 5. Talking about Mohsen Makhmalbaf, the 5th film in our list is A Moment of Innocence. It is a deeply intimate film revisiting the director's own life when he, as a young boy, stabbed a policeman during a political protest and was later imprisoned. 2 decades later, he tracks the policeman down to make amends. You can watch this film with subtitles on YouTube as well. One thing is for certain, for Iranian filmmakers, cinema is not just storytelling, it is something deeply personal.
حاضری بیای؟
نه خیلی من حاضر نیستم.
What kind of cinema or genre would you like us to explore next? Tell us in the comments. Like and share it with your friends and subscribe to CSeed for more such updates.
Hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to CSeed for more such videos.